Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're discovering stomach cancer in a new light, filled with complexities you might haven't thought of. We'll also cover the complete list of symptoms to help you recognize it early, improving your chances of living a longer and fuller life. But before we dive into the details, if you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel to support Health Aware in raising health awareness. Symptom 1. Abdominal pain. Abdominal pain is often the first noticeable symptom of stomach cancer. It presents as a continuous, dull ache located in the middle of the abdomen, just below the ribs. Unlike typical indigestion or gastritis discomfort, this pain tends to persist and may gradually worsen over time. The location of the pain is significant as it indicates the area affected by the tumor within the stomach. Patients should pay attention to any changes in the intensity or frequency of the pain. While abdominal pain can result from various conditions, its persistence and specific location warrant medical evaluation, especially if accompanied by other concerning symptoms like difficulty swallowing, nausea, or unexplained weight loss. Early detection through prompt medical attention improves the chances of successful treatment and management of stomach cancer. Symptom 2. Swallowing troubles. Difficulty swallowing, a common symptom of stomach cancer, should not be overlooked. When stomach cancer affects the region where food enters from the esophagus, known as the cardia, it can obstruct the passage of food. This obstruction leads to a sensation of food getting stuck in the chest during swallowing. To alleviate this, individuals may find themselves needing to drink water to help the food pass into the stomach. Additionally, the proximity of the tumor to the lower muscles of the esophagus can contribute to our next symptom. Symptom 3. Acid reflux. Stomach cancer's impact on the cardia, the area where food enters the stomach from the esophagus, can lead to acid reflux. When the tumor interferes with the lower esophageal sphincter, it may fail to close properly, allowing stomach contents, including acidic gastric juices, to escape into the esophagus. This phenomenon, known as acid reflux, often accompanies difficulty swallowing. The regurgitation of stomach acids into the esophagus can cause a burning sensation or bitter taste in the mouth. Acid reflux is a persistent symptom that warrants attention, as it may indicate an underlying issue such as stomach cancer. Symptom 4. Nausea. Persistent nausea, especially occurring after meals, is a noteworthy symptom associated with stomach cancer. When the tumor is located at the pylorus, the section of the stomach responsible for directing food into the small intestine, it may obstruct or close off this natural outlet. Consequently, the stomach detects that its contents won't be emptied properly, triggering a sensation of nausea. This discomfort may escalate to vomiting as the body initiates a reflex to expel the gastric contents. Symptom 5. Vomiting. In the context of stomach cancer, vomiting becomes a significant concern, particularly when it occurs after meals. When the tumor, often situated at the pylorus, interferes with the natural flow of gastric contents into the small intestine, it can lead to obstruction or closure of this passage. This obstruction triggers a signaling mechanism that informs the brain of the impending issue, prompting the initiation of the vomiting reflex. Consequently, the stomach contracts, forcing the expulsion of partially digested food along with gastric juices upward into the esophagus and mouth. Continuous vomiting can result in weight loss and nutritional deficiencies, emphasizing the importance of addressing this symptom promptly. Symptom 6. Early fullness. A notable symptom associated with stomach cancer is the sensation of early fullness during meals. When the tumor affects the entire stomach, particularly in the diffuse variety of stomach cancer, the organ's wall quality diminishes. As a result, the stomach fails to expand properly when consuming food, leading to an early feeling of fullness. This phenomenon triggers a communication to the brain signaling satiety, causing individuals to eat less gradually. The persistent experience of early fullness can contribute to gradual weight loss, a characteristic feature in advanced stages of stomach cancer. Symptom 7. Weight loss. Unexplained weight loss is a significant and concerning symptom often associated with stomach cancer. Several factors contribute to this phenomenon, including the persistent abdominal discomfort, difficulty swallowing, nausea, vomiting, and early satiety experienced by individuals with stomach cancer. The tumor's impact on the digestive process, coupled with a reduced appetite due to the aforementioned symptoms, leads to a gradual decrease in calorie intake. This, in turn, results in progressive weight loss. The development of cachexia-anorexia syndrome further intensifies weight loss even if the patient manages to consume enough calories. Symptom 8. Bleeding. Bleeding is a concerning symptom associated with advanced stages of stomach cancer. When the tumor infiltrates the stomach lining, it can rupture blood vessels within the stomach or the tumor itself, leading to upper gastrointestinal bleeding. The severity of bleeding determines the visibility of symptoms. In cases of minor bleeding, symptoms may go unnoticed. However, significant bleeding can manifest as hematemesis, where blood is vomited along with gastric content, or melena, characterized by the appearance of black, tarry stools. In addition to these visible signs, persistent bleeding can result in anemia, leading to progressive fatigue. What happens when stomach cancer spreads? You heard that right. What makes stomach cancer more complex than most is that it can easily spread across the body. And when stomach cancer advances and escapes the confines of the stomach, it can have diverse effects on the abdominal cavity. This process, known as peritoneal involvement, involves the cancer cells breaking through the stomach wall. Consequently, these cells may enter the peritoneal cavity, where they settle on the surface of various abdominal organs, causing the growth of multiple tumors. This condition can induce peritoneal irritation, manifesting as diffuse abdominal pain. Additionally, the cancer cells may colonize the outer region of the liver, leading to localized pain in the upper right abdomen. In some instances, tumor implants on the outer wall of the small intestine may cause partial or complete bowel obstruction. As stomach cancer progresses, it may spread through the lymphatic system, utilizing lymph nodes as conduits. The initial accumulation of cancer cells often occurs in lymph nodes surrounding the stomach. This spread can intensify symptoms such as persistent early fullness and nausea, particularly if lymph nodes close to the stomach are affected. In rare instances, abdominal pain may be experienced if the retroperitoneal nerve plexus is impacted. Although less common, the involvement of these nerves can contribute to discomfort. When stomach cancer infiltrates the bloodstream, it gains access to other distant organs, such as liver, brain, and lungs. With this, we conclude the video. Check out our channel for more interesting videos for your health. Remember, our goal is to raise health awareness as much as possible, and you can help us do so by supporting us with your engagement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to those you love to help them live a healthy life. This is Health Aware, and we hope we have helped you today in becoming more health aware.